guys? You're looking good, you're looking wonderful, you are looking absolutely amazing, as I say every single week. I hope I'm in the shot because I am hella tall. We are going to basically look at what I have created in the past year and a half. I hope this inspires, or rather gets you guys to look at everything that you've achieved, saying to yourself like, damn, I'm actually hella cool. We are gonna look at everything that I've created in the past year and a half. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys feel the vibes. I hope you guys get my thought process behind some of the stuff, because it isn't always retail friendly or, you know, ready to wear. So for me, it's like I create what I love. I want it to be cool. I don't want it to look like what's already out there. Like, hello. Some of the stuff is stuff we've made together, and the other is stuff you guys have never seen before, but I hope you enjoy. And I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm basically going to show you the pieces that I've made and also the looks that they're correlated to. I'm not going to put all the pieces. Number one is this jacket that was kind of inspired by fruit, based on a Ceres juice, which is a South African fruit juice. And I kind of just put some paneling and had this whole Asian feel to it. For number two, we have this blazer, and it was when basically formal wear, streetwear was kind of popping, I guess. And yeah, I prefer to have it open than rather closed. I wanted it to be slightly longer to have like more of a dress feel, but I honestly wish I had made pants for this, oh my word. And yeah, now I'm not gonna find the fabric, but I like it open with the belt. Next is this look, which is basically designed for a guy. It is this little hoodie, and it kind of goes with a off-white inspired denim look. And basically, yeah, I kind of just color blocked, put some taping over it, and I don't know why I made the straps that long, but I did, the little pull strings. This is how the rest of the outfit looked. So I basically bleached the denim and found yellow denim to make the other panel, put a zip at the back, and kind of just did a lot of blocking. Next is another menswear inspired look. It was worn for my menswear Markham look, which is a brand in South Africa. And yeah, this was kind of like an aviator kind of leather jacket. I got this leather from the upholstery section, which is super heavy but really warm, and I quilted the inside with the lining that I wanted. Next are these pants that go with it, and I love them. I did kind of do like pleats in them that kind of gave them this parachute type of look. Next is the look that I think you guys have seen before in the previous video, which is the bell bottom pants kind of disco look. It's supposed to be super fun. I don't know why I actually made the pockets white. I hate it. But yeah, and I did a fashion film based on this. I'll put clips of the fashion film if I have looks from there. And yeah, it's a jacket and pants, and I did a little crop top as well, and had a long sleeve black top that I made with it. Next was this look that I created with you guys, which is loungewear, which is in spirit of quarantine and just chilling and having things easy and comfortable. And yeah. I just kept the same pants on, but this is the corset that we've made together and showed you guys all the steps. And this was based on basically a corset that kept popping up all over my feed all the time, and I thought I should basically create my own rendition of it and use upholstery fabric. You guys can see I have a slight obsession with the upholstery section of stores. This was the satin version, still the same top. I didn't put boning in this one, and yeah, I just changed the straps on both of them just to kind of loop them in quick for the video. This was a dress, a wrap dress that we created. Honestly, this aesthetic is not an aesthetic that I wear much. I'm not really girly. I'm more of like the boss girl who always wants to look super cool. This was more of a wrap dress that can be done in different styles. You guys should check out this video. And yeah, I really love it. It's super fun and it fits absolutely everyone. You can make it longer if you want. It's fun to play around. And I lined mine and used a non-stretch fabric. So this was the recreate that look based off a Pretty Little Thing look that I kind of saw everywhere. The video is in my playlist, so if you guys want to see that, check it out. And yeah, I had so much fun creating this and had a whole little, you know, tropical or I'm supposed to be on vacation type of feel. This was me kind of making a designer dress for like a cocktail party. I hope you guys really like it. I was so obsessed with the fabric, like this whole galaxy feel. It was amazing. And yeah, this is basically just showing you that I secured that no nip slip will happen, and added a belt as well. I have a zip on the side, but I really enjoyed this asymmetrical shoulder look. This was one that I included as well for my graduation, and basically it is a layered look. So this is the first two pieces. It is a bodysuit that I made, so it's a shirt that's actually a bodysuit, and it's super long with the skirt, and I place over a half corset, so just missing the cups, and boned it with round boning. I hope you guys can see the close-up of it. And then after this we have the last layer, which is the skirt. And this whole look was kind of inspired by my hometown and going back home to the township, or the township girl going into the city and looking for a different experience. I did line the skirt as well. So there is kind of a lot of detail put into this, as much as it does kind of look simple, and it's one of my favorite looks. Next was this high-low skirt with a corset, and this corset sucked me in. I boned this whole thing, so I made little inserts throughout the whole corset and basically put eyelets and a zip as well. And then I made sure that I weaved. Is it weaved or is it woven? Yeah, weaved on a loom the little panel pieces that you see on the side. This is my other look that I am absolutely in love with, that you have to layer on. So basically it is the skirt that I put over the hoop, or like the old school. Yeah, it is a hoop. Yeah. And then I basically put orange detail and buttons at the back and put my skirt. You can see on one side it says Ekaya, and on the other side it says home, which is home, as most of my collections represent where I've come from and how I grew up, and my appreciation of family and basically my history. I did a corset that layers on the top and is kind of really structured. If you know me, you know that I love matte fabrics, I love structure, and I like building things into the fabric. And this is basically how it looked on the little runway we had. It's really big, that's why the shots was kind of cutting my head off, but yeah. This was a look inspired by my grandmother in South Africa. They kind of wear, like, you know, the whole granny dress, the long dress, and I made it out of denim and satin, and it is lined, and did this whole panel piece and created the print by layering two paintings on top of each other, and had this whole repeat print made. I had so much fun with this. Oh, most of these looks are also in denim that has been dyed. Okay guys, so there are so many other looks, but this video would be way too long. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope this inspires you guys to kind of just do your own thing and appreciate your process. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!